Hey guys, making a quesadilla. What you need is cheddar cheese. What I already put that on. So you take one tortilla, put cheese on it. I'm gonna do more stuff, which I'm thinking to do jalapenos. Go get some of these chicken. I am. You don't want it. Don't put too much chicken. Oops. After that, go out, buy some Frank's Red Hot sauce. Doing this by the microwave. So, Frank's Red Hot sauce. Now, get that done. You take one more tortilla, put it on top. And then, put this away. Then you warm this up. Right in there. Perfect. I used to do this for 30 seconds. Now just wait until the cheese melts. I said that. Another one? And do another 30 seconds. So press that 30 seconds twice. It's almost done. I'm gonna get myself some milk. Now, now you eat. Mm-hmm. So, okay. End of the vlog. Links description. Follow me on everything. Comments below Facebook. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Cool man, cool woman. Don't forget to keep it cool.